Right here we come to the elevator at 333 Southeastern Boulevard in Sugar Land, Texas. This is exactly like the one at 13515 Southwest Freeway, which this is known as Sugar Creek 2. This was originally Otis Lexan, but that got a tasteful mod. See, this is where the original call station used to be. This is exactly like 13515 Southwest Freeway. It's an Otis Series 2. There's like so much, the floor is covered with cardboard. Like that one in there. It levels nicely. So yeah, this elevator is exactly like the one in the other building, which is known as Sugar Creek 1. This is Sugar Creek 2. Anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching.